What's the name of this one? The skull?
Good. Just a skull.
All right.
Alright, here comes the finale.
A finale. We don't know this one, so.
Yeah, because there's no performance.
Don't know. Hopefully it's good.
He's smoking a cigarette.
That's what I said. No, they didn't hear.
Ah! Oh, hi. Are you a spider? What the fuck are you?
Burning.
Looks like a beetle with really long legs. The fuck?
It's smoking the cigarette.
I now have a message.
That's it?
No?
For all of it.
It's out. That was disappointing.
Is there other ones you're supposed to light?
No, it's just the...
There we go.
Oh, there. Woo!
Oh, it's breathing fire.
Fire!
It's not done. It has 2, 4, 6, 7 or 8 things to it there.
Oh, shit. Here we go. Whoa! That's a screecher?
Ow! It's going Ghost Rider.
I like that!
It's going Ghost Rider. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Is it done?
Oh, I like
No.
this. We don't know about this one.
That was...
No!
Oh.
It's got Terminator eyes staring at me though.
Damn!